Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be playing Liberty County on Roblox. I've been getting better, can rob ATMs and everything successfully most of the time, and I think I'm getting real good. So, first thing I'm going to do, I think, is get my car, number one. If you guys look at my wanted level, you can see I've been doing some illegal things. Let's not get into that. What we need to get into is me going to the gun store and getting like an AK, getting my AK-47. Earlier when I was playing, a cop got me detained, and then the person killed the cop. I was like, yes, I'm free, thank you. Alright, let's see. Need new AK. Buy mag refill. Oh, it's full. Then ammo box. Okay. Doing. Alright, all good. Move. You ain't seen nothing. Move. Move your booty. This guy got a gun? Find out. You do got a gun. Murder him. Do not try this at home. It is a video game. Oh, someone else killed me, bruh. No. Alright, I'm gonna go back to the gun store and get revenge. For the people who got revenge for their friend after I killed him. No one hurts me. Is that clear? No one, and I mean no one, in this game will ever hurt me and get away with it. Is that a cop? Oh, crap. Okay. He's like, yeah, there was a guy in a blue car, he just killed my friend. Yeah, it's me, bruh. Me. God damn it. Reload. Okay, take cover. Alright, where's my ammo box? Refill it. No, bro, he killed me. I'm going back and killing him again. I will. I'm gonna kill him. I killed the cop. Not the actual guy who killed him. I'm gonna take this free Chevy Blazer thing, whatever it is. I don't even know what car this thing is. It's a Chevy, I know that. If you're sitting in the Chevy and your butt is feeling heavy diarrhea. If you blew up someone's car and you murdered someone, diarrhea. If you're a bad boy and you know it, diarrhea. If someone murdered you and you're in first person and you cannot revive, what do you do? Bruh. Need to reload. Alright. Need to reload. Alright, I'm in a new server, I think. I drink some water. So I call some fresh water. Comment down in the comments below if you guys think I should get background music. And I cannot repair my car if I crash it every time it explodes because I'm wanted. That's very sad. I like doing this so I can just click tab and see where everything is. Park my car right there for easy access. I have to get my bruh. Come on. No. This guy's name, help? It wasn't. No cop. No cops or else. Sorry. Sorry. I'm like, sorry, I did not mean it. Sorry, I didn't mean it. Well, I mean it. I mean it. But I didn't mean it. I'm gonna be like, you need a doctor. I'm gonna like call the cops. He got shot. He got shot. Gun store. I did. I did. I did. Oh, you got a cop? Is it a cop? Blast him on, blast him on, blast him. I blasted him. And blast him too while I'm at it. Why not? You know what I'm saying? Help, help, help. They're like, help, help, help. Help. They'll be like, no. Get down. Die. Die already. Die. No. Die. No. Die. 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 Buy mag refill. I'm gonna spray this man. He does not like back up or whatever. Get him, get him. Five. Got my gun, kill him. Bro, let me kill this man. Let me kill him, let me kill him, let me kill him. I need to kill him. Killed one down. There's one cop left. I need to kill this cop. Yes. I got him, I got him, I got him. I'm insane. You okay? I'm gonna go. You okay? Oh hell no, it's another cop. Bruh. He's like, you shot my leg. They give a hand, man, I'd shoot you. I'm gonna tell the cop he shot himself. No! 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 I should have waited for the medic. No! No! I'm going back there. I'm going back there to the crime scene right now. I'm gonna murder every single person I see. I'm literally just gonna go like insane. I got this like little Chevy. You guys know I'm mad. You guys can tell. And for some reason I can only do a video that's 15 minutes long because I have no idea like the software I use. I'm at like 11 minutes. So sorry guys. Where are you? That's what I thought, bro. That's what I thought, huh? That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Kill people. Bro. Bro, I need to reload. Get him, he's so low. Kill one. I need to kill every single one that comes. Kill him. This is the one thing all these cops didn't actually even try to do. Arrest me. Or like tase me. None of them tried to do that. They just were like, man, I'm gonna kill you. No! I had to do it. Alright, everybody, it's like 12 minutes in. I need to end the video or it's gonna like end itself. So, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed me killing like millions of people. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, baby.